In a magical fairy kingdom, there lived a fairy named Zara. She had a beautiful garden with colorful flowers, sweet fruits, and sparkling streams. Zara wanted her garden to be the best in the whole kingdom. One day, Zara saw her neighbor's garden had golden sunflowers that glowed at night. She wanted them for her garden. Using her magic, she quietly took the sunflowers without asking. Over time, Zara started taking the best flowers and fruits from other fairies' garden to make her garden even more beautiful. At first, her garden looked amazing and many fairies came to see it. But soon, the flowers in Zara's garden began to fade, the fruits dried up, and the streams stopped sparkling. No matter how much magic Zara used, she couldn't fix her garden. When Zara went to other gardens, she noticed they were still beautiful, but the fairies looked upset with her. One fairy, Lily, said, "Zara, you took our flowers and fruits without asking. That's why your garden is not growing anymore." Zara felt very sorry. She apologized to the fairies and returned what she had taken. She also used her magic to help their gardens grow. The fairies forgave her and worked together to help Zara's garden bloom again. Zara's garden became more beautiful than ever, but this time it was full of love and friendship. Moral: sharing and kindness make everything better.